Have you seen any impact on store traffic and consumer behavior as a result of this surge in Omicron?
No, I have. Where did you go?
We got you.
Okay. No, I have not seen any slowdown at all on Omicron. Really nothing, not even the malls. There's no slowdown at all. People are still out shopping. And more importantly, we're making sure that, at the head office that everyone is vaccinated and making sure that everyone is safe.
I just mentioned some of the performance of the mall operators. What specifically are you seeing in the mall as the consumer, as you say, remains pretty strong? Sounds like the mall is not dead.
Well, the mall's definitely not dead. The malls are very busy. What you're seeing, though, is people are coming into the mall. They're going specifically to the stores that they want to go to. They know exactly what they want to buy. And generally, the baskets are much bigger than they have been in the past. So they're maybe not roaming around the mall as much. They're very specific on what stores they want to go into.
Jamie, I wanted to get to your David Beckham deal, which maybe we're getting to too early. And Sarah had some more important questions to come first.
No. I was going to start there, but I wanted you to go first on that.
There we go. Well, there we go. Good teamwork, as usual. Jamie, tell us about exactly the intricacies of the deal, which maybe weren't included in the press release that you might be able to tell us. Does he get approval on everything you do? Is it a partnership? Have you now got majority?
I mean, obviously, we have not put out any press release on the David Beckham deal. We don't comment on rumors or speculation. So at this point, if there is a David Beckham deal to talk about, I promise, Wilfred and Sarah, you will be the first people that I call and fill you in on what's going on. And I'm sure if there's a deal to talk about, David would be happy to come on the show too.
So I didn't even realize that was a slight dial back. So there is not a deal of any shape or form to announce yet.
That would be a correct statement.
Although you have been getting more into the rights of athletes, celebrities. I know you've got this big deal with Shaq. Is that a growth area? Why are you seeing value in people like David Beckham if you were to do a deal?
I mean, there's definitely, our entertainment business is about 25% of our total turnover today. And, ABG is doing approximately $21 billion of retail revenue globally. So we see big value in these celebrities, not only, on the endorsement side, but the merchandising side, but they also, collaborate with our other brands that are within our portfolio. So we're just continuing to build our ecosystem, inside ABG. Today, ABG has over 300 million social media followers. And as you know, social media is really part of the weave of the world that we're all living in. So it wouldn't be, a bad idea to have someone like a David Beckham in our portfolio that does have a robust social media following.
Be interesting to see if that happens, if you can move him from Adidas to Reebok. But I know there's nothing more to discuss on that at the moment. My question, though, Jamie, was how you weigh up, with all of those points you just mentioned and all the areas of expertise that you guys have at Authentic Brands, whether it makes more sense for a celebrity to launch their own self-named brand versus getting them to partner and endorse with an existing brand.
I mean, look, I think it depends on the category. Something like, a Shaquille, certain products make sense to have Shaq's name on it. And then certain products do not make sense to have Shaq's name on it. So you could have a Shaq, running shoe for children, and it does incredibly well, his kids' footwear line. But then you could have a collaboration with Reebok that also does incredibly well. So it really does depend on product, category, and gender.